JLG Industries presents Operator Introduction on the JLG Aviation Package. The JLG Aviation Package on the ES2646 scissor lift has been designed to meet the specific needs of the aviation industry. Always remember, the sensor system may not detect certain objects depending on shape, type of material, or orientation of the object to the sensors. It is the operator's responsibility to be aware of their surroundings at all times. The sensor system is equipped with multiple ultrasonic sensors providing 360-degree obstacle detection on all sides. And enhanced with LIDAR, the sensor system creates a detection area below the platform down to the top of the chassis. The LIDAR system automatically adjusts its range based on the platform's height. In both drive and lift modes, the sensor system detects obstacles and emits an audible warning signal before halting movement. The system slows the machine's drive speed to the elevated drive speed when it is a certain distance away from an object, known as the warning zone. If the machine continues to approach the object and moves into the stop zone, the system stops all machine functions. The yellow override button allows operators to bypass normal sensor system operation in order to move closer to an object within the stop zone. It provides a second set of warning and stop zones that are shorter in distance, allowing additional closeness to an object. The LED solid red shows the machine is in the sensor system's stop zone, and all machine functions will cease. Press the override button again in order to navigate out of the zone. The LED flashing yellow shows machine is in the sensor system warning zone and will reduce to the elevated drive cutout speed. The LED solid red also indicates that the extension deck is extended and drive is prevented. JLG scissors with the aviation package includes 3 drive speeds to accommodate various machine operations. Transport mode, which requires a momentary switch to be held, allows for more speed for efficient movement across job sites. The aviation package features full-height gates on both the front and rear of the platform. The rear gate serves as the standard entry and exit point, while the front gate, equipped with a latch, is specifically designed for operators to transfer at height to another secure structure using proper fall protection. The manual platform extension deck has been replaced with an electric mechanism for smoother operation. Extension of the deck may be affected by the sensor system if it detects an object in the path of deployment. When the extension deck is deployed, the machine will not drive. When the extension deck is extended, the overhead sensor's field of view may vary. Use caution when using the extension deck. The sensor system has some limitations that may be encountered during operation. If the 4 conditions listed occur simultaneously, the system may not detect the parallel surface or object. With the machine positioned parallel to the surface or object, the wheels turned away from the object, the override button engaged, and reverse drive attempted. More details on unique characteristics and sensor system limitations can be referenced in the Aviation Package Supplement Manual. JLG scissors with the Aviation Package are EE certified, featuring enclosed electrical components to reduce the risk of sparks, making it suitable for use in aviation environments. Additionally, a half-inch pneumatic airline is included to support the use of tools commonly required in aviation maintenance. The JLG Aviation Package enhances the functionality of the JLG ES2646 scissor lift for aviation tasks. These features optimize performance for aircraft maintenance, ensuring reliable operation in demanding environments. For more details, visit jlg.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.